In this video, friends, we're going to be talking about the Foam Leather Cleaner by Red Wing. Now, guys, I think this stuff should be a staple in every gentleman's care routine because it's just the right thing to get the surface level dirt, to get penetrating a little bit deeper and get all the grime off your boot as you condition them. Now, guys, if we take care of boots like this, they're going to last into the ages. I know that you guys probably have a set of boots that are working on 10, 12 years by now, and that's because of good stewardship. So that's what we're about here on the Gentleman's Journey, and this stuff gets it done every time. The cool thing is I run this on more than just Red Wing products. It works from anywhere from Nicks to Thursdays to your 1,000-mile boot and anything in between. So it's good that you don't have to have like 50 different cleaning products in there. You can grab one and just stick with it. A little bit about the ingredients, folks. Red Wing actually has a web page for their ingredients disclosure. So I'm going to drop a link to that in the description below. You can go check it out for yourself. I would love to go deeper into that with you guys, but as your common gentleman, you know, we just don't have the understanding of some of these chemicals and some of the stuff that's going on in there. I think maybe they do that intentionally, some of the trade secrets, but you know, it has these dilutants, solvents, cleaning agents, and it actually has some conditioner. And what made that make sense for me is that if you're inside the house and you have some hand soap, maybe it has aloe vera or some kind of cream in there so that when you're washing your hands and putting some of these rough chemicals on there, it's actually reconditioning as well. So of course we're not going to run this just as a conditioner, but I was pretty happy to see that they actually throw a little bit of that in there as well. At $13 for 4 ounces, guys, you can't go wrong with this stuff. It's a concentrated product, so you put a couple capfuls into some water, and this is gonna last you for so many cleanings and across the wide variety of leathers. Now onto the cons, I would say that it's not the most intense, strong cleaner. If I was washing my work boots and I was out in the field, maybe hunting or getting muddy working, you know, I would grab some Dawn dish soap or something on the lines of that, a big old bucket, and just start scrubbing all that mud I can get off. I want something a little more intense, but guys running the Heritage line, lots of Thursday boots and stuff like that, you know, working in the office, going out on town a little bit, just your everyday use, this stuff, it can't be beat. It's really good conditioner for all those purposes. And that's why I say that this gets the Gentleman's Journey stamp of approval. So let's get into using it a bit. They actually call for 2 capfuls for every 3 ounces. So we're gonna mix that in, and of course, just like anything, guys, as you start becoming a steward of stuff, you know, you try to follow that, but you're not gonna follow it on a Sunday night watching the game. You're just gonna put some cleaner in there and get the job done. And so what I've done, I've already went ahead and taken the laces off, and I've hit it with a horsehair brush. I love to just get all that surface level stuff off of there, and now it's ready. So they give you a little sponge here if you buy the kit. I really like to use that for most surfaces, but I went ahead and got a little dauber brush as well. I'll drop a link to this brush and this stuff here in the description below, but I think this really helps for getting around those stitches and specifically that welt. So you get it mixed up a bit, and really, guys, it's like you can imagine, it's like conditioning. You've all done it before a million times, but we're gonna make sure and hit those spots like the tongue, make sure and work in around the eyelids and the speed hooks. And I'm just gonna show you here, this is why I really like that little dauber brush, because it gets down in those areas that you really don't wanna forget. And so don't be afraid if you need to clean off the outsole down there, but this stuff just works incredible. If you really needed to clean up and hit the road, I think this could be a 10-minute process. You know, I really like to take the laces out whenever I'm cleaning my boots, but if you're in a hurry and you just maybe want to hit up the toe area and the sides and just really get some dirt off, I don't think that's going to be a problem at all. Well, and there it is, friends. I think we got her covered. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other boot, but just let this sit and dry, and then you're ready for conditioning. So guys, I'd love to know in the comments if there's anything I missed, what your experience is with this Red Wing foam leather cleaner. If there's a conditioner cleaner that you think I should review, if there's something that you think works better, I'm keen to know that. So friends, we'd love if you'd subscribe, maybe drop us a comment, hit the like button. That's gonna help the channel out tremendously. Until the next video, guys, God bless you, and hey, don't forget to show those boots some love from time to time. If there's something that you think's, you're just gonna put some conditioner, you're just gonna, it works from anywhere from nicks to Thursdays to your,